You guys are another video of the Carolina Skiff. Just bought one of these little fuel cells off Amazon. My other tank, the seam started leaking, so I just picked up one of these. Not a big fan of this cap. See a lot of reviews that talk about this cap, but it seems to be okay. The little sump on it is a little lower than the actual tank, so I'm gonna have to build some standoffs for it. I'm actually gonna build a back deck for this, so I'm gonna raise this up. But I actually got a 10 AN to barb line to hook this up, so I'm gonna go out and test it tomorrow, see how it does. I'll post a link to the tank in the description, and subscribe, check out my other videos, and y'all take it easy. Later.